you're watching in the afternoon. I'm Liv and we are doing some more rubbish crafts. Guion is at the allotment. He wanted me to let you know how well his tomatoes are coming along. He's quite pleased, but really sorry that he couldn't be here again. But this week we are making egg box crocodiles, alligators, dragons, whatever you feel like yours should look like, really, but it's some sort of reptile egg box situation. Go on! Let's get making stuff.
You will need an egg box, cardboard, paintbrushes, pencil or a pen, glue and paint, buttons, and I forgot scissors.
When you're done, yours is going to look a little something like this. Didn't see it coming.
Step 1. Paint your crocodile. I forgot a head start in painting mine because it took so many coats to get it to be a nice bright colour. I've done the bottom of mine blue so it looks like the crocodile is creeping out of the water. Step 2. Draw, cut out and paint your tail and claws. Here's the ones I did earlier. Then you need to do the same for your teeth. Step 3. Some more of my googly eye button improv. Step 4. Showing my crocodile some love, I gave it a manicure to make him feel special. Step 5. Hopefully everything is nice and dry and you can stick on the tail and the claws to your crocodile. Caillou! Step 6. Once the glue is dried, you can now stick on the eyes and the teeth to your crocodile. Ta-da! Finished! Ah, scary crocodile!
Look at it! Look, we're on! Have you had a nice day? You got all your stuff sorted? I hope so. Well, he says please send us a picture because he's so sad he can't always join in because he's just so busy. But he really wants to see all your crocodiles. Oh, I can hear him purring. Well, see you later everybody. I'm sure you did a really good job. And I will see you soon. Bye, say bye, Guion. See you later, he says. In a bizzle.